Listen. When have you known God to fail? Exactly. Never. God has never failed us. None whatsoever. Why? Because he said he is faithful to his promises. He is an unfailing God. He is. Don't you know that God has stepped in on your behalf in a lot of situations that you don't even know? It was a car accident that was supposed to happen, but God stepped in and said not so. There was things that were supposed to happen to your life. You were supposed to get fired, but God stepped in and said not so. God has been coming through for you over and over and over again. Do not listen to the enemy today trying to talk to you in your ear, trying to be in your eye sockets today to show you things that are going on around you. Just know what God said, that everything works together for the good of those that love him and who are called to his purpose. God got your back, and I keep telling y'all, God will not fail his people. As David said, he has never seen the righteous forsaken, neither the seed begging for bread, and God is not going to have his own, his children, his adopted ones, his sons and daughters begging for nothing. So listen, God is not going to fail you. So don't even think about giving up. Don't even think about throwing in the towel. Stand still and see the salvation of your Father, of your God, and watch how he fights for you, and watch how he steps in for you and bring you to the promised land, bring you to his promise, because God will not have his word to return back into him void. He loves you, and most of all, you should know that God will never fail. Okay? I love y'all. And I just told y'all that Jesus loves y'all too. Now, if you still don't know what I was just talking about, rewind it and watch again. But in the meantime, in between time, if you take just a little bit of what I'm telling you and apply it to your life to the best of your ability, you won't ever have to mask a smile. Why? Because your smiles will always be genuine. I got to go, y'all. I love y'all. And once again, Jesus loves you too. God never fails. He will not fail you. He will come through for you. Love y'all. Ciao.